Fake pay stubs can cost you a lot of money if you don't know how to spot them. Someone could be lying about their previous salary or trying to commit fraud. As such, you have to keep yourself safe because if you don't know how to spot a fake pay stub, then someone is going to take advantage of you. Keep watching to learn how to differentiate between the real ones and the fake ones. 1. Call the employer. A quick way to weed out the liars is to ask them for permission to call your previous employer. Their reaction should give you the first clue as to whether their pay stub is real or not. If they say yes, you can have a response from the previous employer in no time. If they refuse, you have a reason to be suspicious. Don't call the number they give you. They may have asked one of their friends to pretend to be their former boss. Research the company on your own and call HR. 2. Verify common information. Knowing how to make a pay stub can help you identify the fake ones. You'll know what information is missing and if there's anything out of place. Common parts of a pay stub include the gross pay, taxes, and insurance deductions. There shouldn't be any fancy font or misaligned data. Also, basic information on the stub, such as their name, should be correct. Look out for spelling mistakes as well. Other things to look out for are marital status, date of birth, and address. People forget to correct generic information when making fake pay stubs. Make sure everything matches what they've already told you. Finally, if the pay stub is made using low-quality paper, you'll know it's fake. 3. Confirm salary and wages. Confirm the salary or wages on the pay stub is correct by asking for a bank statement. This figure should show up on the statement as a deposit. Moreover, the deposit should show the name of the company paying them. If any of this information is different or missing, they're lying. 4. Check the figures. Get a calculator and check whether the figures add up. Calculate the earnings and the deductions on the pay stub. If you find incorrect mathematics which the person can't explain, then the pay stub is fake. 5. Check the decimals. Still on mathematics, ensure the format for the dollar includes decimals. Accounting software aligns all the digits and decimal points. Thus, if anything is out of place, the stub is probably fake. It takes a few minutes to make fake pay stubs, so you have to be cautious when dealing with them. Counter-check everything on your own to be sure they are accurate. Plus, focus on the information at hand and not whether someone looks legit or not. Looking forward to generating a real stub? Get started on our website. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.